So, Kasumi. Come up. 1, through 2. Yep. 3. Snap side hold. 2, 3. Position. Boom. Slowly back and drop your foot behind. Pause. Finalize. Step up. 1, 2. Drop the hand and slowly break off and walk back. So drop weight. Press in. 2, 3. Snap side. Noto. 1. Pull the left hand back. 2. Pull the left hand back further. Pull into the full cut. Boom. That's all the way through cut. So you flex the wrist to the outside too. Don't leave the wrist to point, the sword pointing straight. Let it pull all the way through. Okay, this time we're going to add the inner sweep. Okay, the inner sweep in the kata of the sword. This is like an idea of shohato. But imagine we did shohato and we just pushed them back a little bit, and then we didn't. They're getting ready to come back up. So we could just turn that and cut. Okay, so this is like a follow through, and you could do that stationary. You could do that moving up. We're going to start with stationary, all right? So we're going to bring the sword across. And we're going to the first cut. Ready? 1. Boom. Rotate. 2. And bring your left hand in as you do that. Boom. Okay, good, good. And noto. Just to feel your elbow, and you should be through the position in front of you, okay? Through to about here. Maybe think of maximum 45 from you here. Okay? And noto. Ready? So 1, through to the side, rotate. 2, come back. Right? And noto. Ready? 1, 2. Good. Good. 1, 2. Okay? Okay, ready? Follow me slow. 1, 2, 3. And kochiburi, noto. Ready? Stationary feet. 1, 2, 3. Side. Noto. So that's a basic idea of what the kata does. That's without footwork. That's just doing it stationary. All right, the footwork in the kata goes like this. Kasumi is a squatting kata. You're doing it in tatehiza position. Okay, so we would go in with this first cut, 1. As we're making the second cut, we bring the back foot up to the back of the front foot. See it? Then we go from there up, get ready, boom, and cut down. Okay, so let's do that with just the feet. So just hold your sword so you can't fall out. All right? So we would start by stepping in with the right, 1. Bring the right toes up to the heel of the left foot, boom. And then that would be on the inside sweep, and then the top, come over the top here. Okay? All right, let's do this with the sword now. All right? We're going to make the opening cut here with just the right foot in. Ready? 1. Boom. I turn the sword over. I move my left foot up. 2. Right foot in. 3. Snap side. Noto. And up. Okay, back up. We're working on this for the footwork, combining the footwork with the sword. Right there. We're going to do the whole kata now, right, from standing. This will be the standing variation. All right? So, everybody has enough room? Ready? Muso Shinden Ryu Kasumi. Tachi Waza, or variation with standing. Ready? So drop weight. Press in. 2, 3. Snap side. Noto. You could stay where you are on the standing one, right? Normally we would be pulling back and sitting like we did just a minute ago, but stay where you are on the standing and come up, which is consistent with Tachi Waza that we do in Okuden. When we go into the Okuden set, all the kata we do standing, when we finish our chiburi and noto, we're going to stay right here. All the stuff we have squatted down, when we finish our noto, we'd be coming back. All right, that's a good way to remember it. Standing, stay in position. Iwaza or Suwari Waza, pull your foot back. Okay, any questions so far?